Another day, another pigeon. Rainy Wednesday afternoon mga kalapatids. Quick cliff check lang to make sure everything's okay. Actually, meron tayong two pairs ng English Carriers na may itlog ngayon. And pinaupo na natin sa mga seaters. Hoping this time magiging successful. Since nagsisimula tayo, wala pa tayong na-hatch na eggs. Pero kapit lang, this might be the moment na magkaka-first banded young bird tayo. Konting tiis lang talaga. Okay, so ganyan talaga ang pag-ibon. Okay, there's the process lang. Be patient and let time do its thing. So sabi nga nila, great things come to those who wait, but only to those who keep going while they wait. Okay? So, yep. Konting tiis lang kalapatids. Darating din tayo dyan. Okay? So, yeah. Check muna natin yung mga pigeons natin if okay lang sila. Okay? So, ito yung isang pair natin na lines natin before na nakuha natin sa kaibigan natin. So, nag-egg na din sila. So, hopefully, fertile and successful yung egg nila. Ito yung pangalawang pair. I'm not sure if successful yung previous eggs nila na pinasit natin. Actually, infertile yung isang egg at may isa pang naiwan ngayon na mag-hatch na this week. So hopefully successful yung last egg nila. And then, nag-egg na din sila ngayon kasi binasag nila yung pinasit ko na egg ng racing pigeon. Okay, so hopefully successful. At ito yung pangatlong pair natin. So I think mag-i-egg na sila maybe tomorrow, okay, or within this week. Hopefully successful yung egg nila at ang yung pair niya ay yung show winner natin na Grizzle. So hopefully successful yung magiging eggs nila. Okay? Fourth pair, sadly wala pa rin silang itlog ever since we paired them. So baka i-separate natin na muna natin sila and try to look for a new match. Okay? See if that will work better. Okay? So ito yung isang pair ng seater natin. Nandito yung egg ng first pair natin, yung mga lines natin before. So hopefully successful ang yes, and ito yung pangalawang seater natin, and again, I hope successful din yung egg nila. So may homer din tayo na pair. Actually, project ko to. So itong pair na homer na to kasi i-cross ko ang anak nila, hopefully, if successful, sa anak ng German Beauty Homer at English Carrier na project natin. Okay? And yes, ito yung pair na German Beauty Homer na project natin. German Beauty Homer and English Carrier na cock. So hopefully successful yung magiging egg nila. Malapit na din mangitlog itong hen. Okay? I-cross natin yung anak nila sa pair natin na Homer. And itong pair na to, na seater, actually, nandito yung egg ng yellow at black na English Carrier natin. Hopefully, successful. And ito, waiting lang sa susunod na mangingitlog. Okay, so yan lang muna mga kalapatids. Again, another day, another pigeon hanggang sa susunod na video. Ingat tayo palagi.